All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to put the tensioner sprocket on. A lot of people have been asking more questions. So take your shoulder bolt, put your tensioner sprocket in there, and then take the one nut that comes in the baggie that doesn't have nylon and put that on the shoulder bolt all the way down. This acts as a spacer, so it should look like this. All right, then these two bolts you want to make sure are loose on each side, and hit your motor all the way down. Then you should be able to get your chain on there easily. I suggest grabbing two bigger wrenches or just something to pry with, and then make sure you have a 10mm wrench ready. I think it's important that you tighten these bolts when the chain's tight. So let's see if you guys, if you can see this. I'm gonna take, this is how I do it. I take one wrench and I kind of get it under the motor, get it pried up, another one, and you can see that your chain isn't tight, but should get close to tight. For now, I'm just gonna tighten up one of these. Then I'm gonna take my shoulder bolt, I'm gonna put this end in, make sure your nut's all the way down, and take the nylon nut, and that'll go on the back side here. All right, now I'm gonna put it in the chain, and this is where you get the tension from. You should be able to push, you know, where, you know, you're tightening up the chain. And I think I use an 18mm wrench. I think it's actually a 17, but I don't have one. And I tighten it up by hand, and then I tighten this bolt in here, or the nut, I mean, up to where it's really tight. So there, it's not going anywhere. And you can go back and put a wrench on the back side and make sure this is tight. I'm just making a quick video. Then it doesn't hurt to just loosen, or apply some tension, loosen this one bolt back up. I usually do try it from both sides like this. I don't know if you can see, really tight. Hold that tension while you tighten up these bolts. I wouldn't even worry about the ones on the back yet. And I mean, your chain you should be able to push it. You can always push this one forward and tighten it up. Like I said, I wasn't really ready, just making a quick video, but hopefully you guys can see that. It's supposed to look like this. I mean, I haven't had this come loose at all. And you might want to put a wrench on this side, and hopefully you have a box wrench like this, you can get in on this side. Some of the newer brackets will have two little holes here. That's going to be for, I'm screwing around with this spring tension one, which I've shown in a video before. This is just my prototype one. You can see it down there. It's hard to see. And if that works, that's only $9, and all the new brackets already have those holes there, so I haven't played around with it yet, but hopefully that will make it easier for everybody. Let me know if you have any other questions.